Good afternoon, everyone, and how are you doing? Today we shall be looking at association of letter sound with the appropriate object. We shall be looking at association of letter sound with the right object. Now, the first letter sound I'll be showing us is letter sound E. E. E as in egg. E as in egg. The first letter sound for egg is E. Now I'll be moving to the next letter sound. Now we have L. L as in leaf. L as in leaf. Now the first letter sound for leaf is L. The first letter sound for leaf is L. Now I'll move to the next letter sound. Now the next letter sound you're seeing right in front of you is J. J. J as in jug. J as in jug. Now the first letter sound for jug is J. J. Now I'll be moving to the next letter sound. Now the next letter sound you're seeing right in front of you is N. It sounds N. Now N as in net. N as in net. Now the first letter sound for net is N. Now I'll go to the last letter sound. Now the last letter sound I'm showing us today is G. G. G as in gone. G as in gone. The first letter sound for gone is G. The first letter sound for gone is G. Now we have come to the end of today's class. See you next time. God bless you.